and Navigating Economic Uncertainty, a guide for investors in times of economic flux. Understanding the intricacies of market dynamics becomes paramount for investors seeking to safeguard their portfolios and maximize returns. As the global economic landscape evolves, prudent decision-making is essential to mitigate risks and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Assessing market conditions. At present, the market faces a crossroads marked by soaring valuations and mounting uncertainties. The recent surge in stock prices, as accompanied by remarkable gains in key indices, has underscored investor optimism. However, beneath the surface, concerns linger regarding the sustainability of this bullish trajectory. Market pundits caution against complacency, citing a growing disparity between stock valuations and underlying fundamentals. With price-to-earnings, multiples reaching historic highs and interest rates at 15-year peaks, the economic terrain appears fraught with challenges. Navigating uncharted waters. The Federal Reserve's stance on monetary policy further complicates the investment landscape. As the Fed contemplates balance sheet reduction and maintains a hawkish posture on interest rates, businesses brace for heightened volatility and uncertain market conditions. Against this backdrop, investors must exercise prudence and diversify their portfolios to mitigate risks effectively. Traditional safe haven assets like gold and fixed income securities offer stability amidst market fluctuations, shielding investors from the vagaries of economic uncertainty. Conclusion: a call for caution. In conclusion, while the allure of the stock market persists, exercising caution and foresight is imperative. As economic headwinds gather strength, astute investors recognize the need to recalibrate their strategies and explore alternative avenues for wealth preservation and growth. In uncertain times, informed decision-making and a diversified investment approach serve as beacons of stability amid the tumultuous seas of market volatility. For further insights on navigating economic uncertainty and optimizing investment strategies, consult reputable financial advisors and stay abreast of evolving market trends.